Welcome to Anvi Advi Kids TV. A for apple pie. B for brownie. C for candy. D for donut. E for eclairs. F for French fries. G for gingerbread cookies. H for hot dog. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for ketchup. L for lollipop. M for marshmallow. N for noodles. O for oatmeal cookies. P for pizza. Q for quiche. R for red velvet cake. S for sushi. T for tacos. U for upside down cake. V for vanilla milkshake. W for waffles. X for Xmas cake. Y for yogurt. Z for zucchini bread.